Many students initially think fashion designing and tailoring are the same. Stitching is one important part of fashion, but fashion designing goes far beyond a sewing machine. Here, designing involves understanding fabrics, global trends, visual balance, styling, and how a collection comes all together. That's where institutes like NAV Global stands apart. They train students to think like designers and not just like tailors. Hey fashion lovers, Campus Unlocked is taking you inside New York Institute of Fashion Global located in Hubli, a space where dreams turn into designs. Purvi, fashion designing is.
Fashion designing is all about creating, innovating, and bringing your dreams into life.
Hi Shraddha.
Hello.
Tailoring is different from fashion designing because.
Tailoring is just a execution of a design, and designing is all about creating your own styles and creativity bringing into life.
Sakshi,
Hi,
what matters more?
discipline because discipline needs creativity to succeed in life.
Hey Vaishnavi, one thing people misunderstand about fashion.
People misunderstand that fashion is just about tailoring, but it's beyond that.
Hey Sakshi, fashion is art or business according to you?
I think it's both. It's a fusion of both of things because it starts with creativity and design, and later it comes to the commercial industry where sales and productions happen.
Hey Riddhi, if your design had a personality, it would be.
Bold and creative.
Hi Sumaya,
Hello.
when people call fashion designing just stitching, what do you feel?
I feel they don't understand the creativity and hard work behind it.
Hey Bhavika,
Hi.
how has studying at NIF Global Hubli changed the way you think about fashion?
So before I used to think that fashion is only about the styling, the outfits and all. But after joining NIF Global, I understood that there's a lot of process involved. The entire design process, the vision, then brainstorming, then the mood board creation, then fabric sourcing, stitching and styling.
Hi Rakshita,
Hello.
what's your biggest fashion dream?
To see your own design, own with the confidence and loved by the people.
Hey Poonam, what's the most underrated skill in fashion?
Observation for me, it's not just seeing the trend but also bringing them into a life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Jyoti Vidasiria, the director for NIF Global Hubli. NIF, the New York Institute of Fashion. We started this institute in 2011, and why I started this institute was because when I came to Hubli, I realized that when I was going for as a judge to lot of schools and inter-college competitions, I realized that students had so much of potential and so much of creativity, but they did not have a proper platform to showcase their talent. And that's the reason I felt that we should start an institute for fashion and interior design here. And in 2011, when I started, it was with a handful of students, very small number. It was very difficult for the parents to convince why we need a course for 1 year, 2 year, or 3 years, because for them it was just a 3 months course or a 6 months course is what they knew about fashion or interior. But when in vast they realized and they saw that what is being taught here, I got admissions very fast with that realization. So it was a small handful of students with whom we started this institute. And let me tell you a little bit about NIF. NIF, here we have professional as well as international level of teaching. Students get to learn each and everything right from drawing a line to becoming a designer. And they have guidance of our brand ambassadors like Manish Malhotra, then Ashley Ribello, who is also again a brand ambassador for us. For interior design, we have Gauri Khan, we have Twinkle Khanna, who guide the students. Then we have our style icon Ananya Pandey as our brand ambassador. And our institute has been affiliated with London School of Trends for certificate courses, which is for 1 year, 2 year, and 3 year, and also with Medhavi University, which is the third best university. It is UGC approved and it is based in Sikkim. And I'm very proud and happy to say that our student last year, Shafika, she was a gold medalist for our institute, and she scored very good marks and she was a gold medalist from Hubli. And in 2017, our student, she showcased her, Shruti Nayak, she showcased her collection at London Fashion Week, and that was the first time ever in the history of North Karnataka that a student from Hubli could go and showcase their collection at London Fashion Week. Since then, n number of students have participated in London Fashion Week, New York Fashion Week, Dubai Fashion Week, and there's no looking back. All the students are getting an international platform with the help of our trained teachers, our international teachers who train them, and we also give them practical knowledge, sending them to industry visits for various other silk industry visits, or it could be a furniture industry visit. So students get a lot of practical insight when they see this. So I feel very proud and privileged that students here have done so much. They have accomplished something which is so great, and they have become independent. They are earning on their own. They have become proud. They have made their parents proud. They made us so proud, and themselves also so proud. So these achievements of students give me so much of happiness, and at the same time they make me feel so proud that from a small city like Hubli, our students are getting so much opportunity, and it is really very joyful to see this going. I would say that if you are a design enthusiast and you want to create, you want to get inspired, and you want to learn, this is the right place for you. So why not make your passion your profession? The world of design is waiting for you. Thank you.
Create, experiment, and execute. From fashion design concepts, fabric knowledge, garment construction, to styling and understanding trends, everything here is taught with a hands on approach.
Hi, I'm Anusha and today we are designing this alternate top.
हमने पहले ये बेसिक का ड्राफ्ट किया है. इसमें हम ये वाला चेंजेस कैसे आता है वो ये तो बेसिक ड्राफ्टिंग है. इसमें हम ऑल्टरनेट करेंगे. तो पहले इनका मेजरमेंट ये लेंथ कितना आता है वो देखना. फिर नेक लेंथ उनको 8 इंच चाहिए, तो हमने 8 इंच लिया है. ठीक है. तो ये वाला पट्टी कितना चाहिए 2 इंच. ओके 2 इंच यहाँ पे लिया. फिर बेसिक पे ही हमने ये जो आर्म इस पे हमने 6 इंच यहाँ पे रख के फिर हमको ऐसा लेना है. डार्ट छोटा आएगा, बाकी नीचे स्कर्ट आएगा.
You'll see students sketching ideas, working on patterns, understanding textures, and learning how a concept goes from paper to runway to real clients. Hi ma'am, what are the courses you offer at NIF Global Hubli?
Hello, ma'am. I, Vasanta, a counselor and a marketing head at NIF Global Hubli, the New York Institute of Fashion and Interior Designing. The courses that we offer are a certificate course, degree course, and also a beauty course. Certificate course ranges from foundation, advanced, and specialization in fashion and interior designing. And when it comes to a degree programs, we do give a degree programs like BVOC, BDES, and also a master's that is MVOC in fashion and interior designing.
What is the eligibility?
To pursue this course, the student should be 10th passed for the certificate course. And when it comes to degree, the student should be 12th passed or 10th plus 2 years of diploma.
So, what are the placement opportunities you are providing?
When it comes to a placement, it actually differs from the skill set of the student. If the student is willing to place at a designer houses, it is entirely different. If the student has to be placed in a retail industry, we do give a 100% internship assistance when it comes to fashion and interior designing also. So retail industries like Dior, Zara, Trends, Reliance Trends, and also Pantaloons. Our students are currently working in Pantaloons, Reliance Trends, Zara, and Dior also. We do interview. The campus interview happens in Hubli, so it depends upon the student where student want to get placed. So it might be a Bangalore also. Currently, the students are in Hubli, Bangalore, Davangere, Raichur. So we do entirely cover the Karnataka, and if student is willing to go out of Karnataka, even we are okay with that.
So basically, placements are done pan India.
Yes.
Hi, this is Vanilla Tumidi, principal at NIF Global Hubli. So at NIF, this was always a priority or a vision where we wanted to bring international standard education to Hubli in fashion and interior design. So whether it is fashion design or interior design, both industries together demand creativity, technical knowledge, and strong industry exposure. That is why our focus is not just on classroom learning, but on hands on training, global perspectives, and professional grooming. Our students learn from experienced faculty, international mentors, and industry experts, which helps them understand how the real design world functions. We also encourage students to participate in live projects, fashion platforms, and practical design experiences so that when they graduate, they are not just students, they are industry ready professionals. So, our goal is simple to help young creative minds to turn their passion into career in design. Thank you.
Basically, less theory and more like let's actually make this. Exactly how fashion education should feel.
Hi, I'm Jhalak, a fashion designing student at NIF Global Hubli. In these 3 years, I got a more exposure about designing, styling, and creating a collection. I also got to know about how a fashion industry works. I feel proud to get selected in the Lakme Fashion Week as an implementation team member and got to learn a lot from our mentor Neeraj Gava sir. This is a 25-year-old sari with all handwork, Zardoshi work embroidered. And now I'm upcycling this sari and giving it a new look. I'm planning to make an anarkali out of this using this work near my bust area and using the sari to make a ruffle and upcycle this into an anarkali. I personally have my interest more in styling. I have styled influencers in Hubli like Supriya Baddi at Tanera Saris, and I also have styled a lot of students from Pele Institute. You can check out my page to get to know more about my fashion journey. Thank you.
Hello, this is Purvi here from third year, representing you the garment that was presented in the London Fashion Week. Like every year, to design a garment, we have a theme given that is mentored by our faculties. With every aspect, the design theme is divided into many parts. Like we were 20 of them, and each and every one of us was given few sections from sketching, designing, illustrating, and to the end results. As you can see, the motifs are inspired from the carvings of temples that we see in every historical place. All of these motifs are intricately designed with the art form called Ari embroidery. This is a cape which has Ari motifs all over the circular cape and is paired with a A-line bell sleeve frock. Thank you.
Hello everybody, myself Shraddha, a student of NIF. I'm second year and this is our Paint the Town Red assignment. I designed this garment. While I was designing, we were restrictively said that we have to make a full outfit. That is why I chose a mermaid skirt and a high neck blouse, and this was made within 2 to 3 weeks, the whole garment. And this is the trail. The skirt is asymmetric. This is the front of the skirt. It has a really long tail behind.
Hi, I am Rakshita, second year student of NIF Hubli. आपने ऐसे गारमेंट्स तो मिंत्रा और अजियो में तो देखा ही होगा, बट क्या मैं बोल सकती हूँ कि आप एक गारमेंट क्रिएट कर सकते हो? दिस इज अ क्रोशेट हैंडमेड ड्रेस which is crafted with neat and even the stitches give a elegant look, clean look. This is a one-shoulder dress which keeps the modern touch, while the soft pastel purple color keeps it classy. The white crochet flowers are carefully attached to create the highlight and handcrafted detailing.
Hi, I'm Sakshi Bafna and I'm a first year student at NIF Global Hubli. We have recently learned a collar called as Peter Pan collar, and we are gonna make our own creation out of that. And I've planned to make a shirt which will have a Peter Pan collar, and I'm excited to see what the results are gonna be. Thank you.
Hi, I am Madhumita Jain and I am a faculty here at NIF Hubli. I have graduated from National Institute of Fashion Technology, Bangalore, and I have over 5 years of experience working in fashion. I have worked for a lot of brands like H&M, Soup by Sogat Paul, and I've also worked for a lot of international fashion consultancies like Deepwear. Currently, I am teaching the subject the basics of business fashion. Previously, I was teaching basics of fashion as well as clothing industry overview. So, it is important to understand the basics of fashion, to understand where it starts from, for us to generate better results when it comes to creativity and design. So, that is something that I focus on and I believe in as well, that unless your fundamentals are strong, you cannot do a good job at inspiration, and you can't do a good job at designing what you really believe that is good design.
Hey, ma'am, what do you think who should choose fashion as a career?
Fashion is a very, very subjective thing. So, anyone who is deeply inspired to create can choose fashion. And it is a very common misconception that, fashion is only for people who want to, design garments or create garments. Fashion is a much wider umbrella. So, people who love styling, people who are good at communicating fashion things can also be a part of fashion. There are fashion merchandisers, there are fashion photographers, editors. So, fashion is not just design, but of course, design plays a huge role in the entire fashion community.
So we've heard there is live exposure, like students get into Lakme Fashion Week and all of it. Can you tell more on this?
Yes, definitely. So, our campus believes that, apart from classroom learning, outside learning is also very, very important. So, a lot of exposure is given to the students, be it in terms of visiting a lot of artisans, visiting a lot of factories. They also have exposure in terms of Lakme Fashion Week, Dubai Fashion Week, London Fashion Week. So, NIF has tie ups with these fashion weeks, so students get an opportunity to present their designs in these platforms.
So, fashion designing at your place also has grooming, which is, a part of building confidence. So, what do you think? Why grooming is necessary?
Grooming is very important for all professions, to be honest, but particularly for fashion, because fashion is a subject or is a concept where people express themselves. So, unless they know how to express themselves in the right way and in a professional way, they will be lacking on a lot of things. So, grooming not only makes the students confident, but it also portrays an image that, these people know what they're doing. So, grooming helps people understand others before even whispering a single word.
Is fashion designing a good career option in today's market, especially it comes to India?
I think it's an excellent career option. Why? Because India is a huge country with such a big population, and you can't cater or you can't design one particular thing that will cater to all of these people. So, fashion design is a great opportunity in India because there are so many textiles, so many embroideries, and more importantly, so many people. So, even though there are so many designers already, I still feel like there is a huge scope for fashion design in India because it's also a fashion manufacturing hub. A lot of Western brands also manufacture in India. So, India is one of the fashion capitals of manufacturing.
What's your perspective on global fashion? As a teacher, I mean, like of such a reputed brand, we just want to know designer versus tailor.
I don't think there is one better than the other, to be honest, because they are all codependent. And for people who say that designers are better than tailors, I would say please revisit your manufacturing houses, because unless there are tailors, designers cannot exist. The one thing that sets apart a designer from a tailor, I would say, is their need to solve problems. Be it the client's problem when someone comes to you telling that, I want a jogger pant that is comfortable in office as well. So, you as a designer take initiative to create a solution for that problem. So, when I always teach my students that when it looks pretty, it is art, but when it serves a purpose, it becomes design. So that I would say would be the difference between a designer and a tailor.
Lastly, what's fashion designing for you?
Fashion designing for me has been a huge world, because as even I was growing up, I had this very small idea that fashion designing means cutting and stitching clothes. And then you see those clothes on the runway. But as you grow older, you understand that there's so much more, there's so much research involved, there's so much maths involved, there's so much logic involved, that it doesn't just seem like a very pretty career, it seems like a very, very professional and very, very interesting career. And you get to learn so much about everything. You get to learn about customer behavior, you get to learn about marketing, you get to learn even about maths, because unless you know maths, you will not be able to do pattern making. So you get it, I feel like it's the best of all the worlds, because you get to know, you need to know science as well, because unless you know your fabrics, the dyes, the chemicals that go in it, you will not be able to create the best design. So fashion is a good mix of every other field in the world. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Vinuta Sandeep and I work as a faculty at NIF Global Hubli. Most of the subjects I take is fashion theory and surface ornamentation. And I have an experience of more than 24 years in this industry, and teaching is my passion. So I'm here at NIF Global.
Ma'am, we've heard you're taking workshops in Vietnam. So would you like to put more light on it?
Yeah,
What exactly happens?
Yes, I've lived in Vietnam in the past, and when I looked for an opportunity to work there, I found a college, fashion college, and they were very interested to know about Ari work, which is from India. That's how I got my first opportunity, and they were interested to take me to take workshops over there to train their students to do Ari work. You know that in fashion industry, without embroidery, nothing is there. If you see all the fashion brands, like big fashion houses like Coco Chanel and Dior, you see lot of embroidery. All that is Ari embroidery, which is proudly our own embroidery. So I take workshops every year in Vietnam.
What are the career options a student can pursue, especially after completing their course at NIF Global?
So everybody thinks just designing is a career option, but I would say I push my students not only designing, you have styling, you have merchandising. In merchandising, again, there is export merchandising, retail, and visual. So there are a lot of opportunities. There's quality control manager, and each one requires a different, what you say, set of skills, though. But there are a lot of opportunities. They can work in a fashion magazine as editor. They can even be a blogger. They can be a what you say, mass communication. They can work in magazines, fashion magazines, and much more actually if they really research on what to do.
Do students need any prior fashion or stitching knowledge before joining?
No, they don't need. We train them from, like, when you join school, kindergarten, how they train you, we hold their hands from the A to the Z, and all the, like, everything, every skill is taught over here, so they don't need any prior experience.
We've heard students, participate in Lakme Fashion Weeks and all of it. So there is a good amount of exposure. So you can just tell what practical exposure your students actually get.
So here we get mentored by the industry personals, okay, and we get to know what is required in the fashion scene. So we don't just concentrate on what is the local fashion, it's almost like the whole global fashion. So the mentors guide us what works in the industry, what is, like, we don't copy what designs are already there. They like promote sustainability, they promote uniqueness and innovative designs. So also very practical but still unique. So we get a lot of inputs from the judges and lot of training from the mentors.
What's fashion designing for you?
It's a way of like showing our creativity. It's what we it's fashion is different for each person. Okay, there is no trend following. You just have to be comfortable in your own dressing. You have to be what you are. So that is fashion for me. And being a designer, making a person feel that comfort and be confident in what they wear, that is fashion designing for me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Roma and I am a faculty at NIF Global Hubli. So I have a 2 year of experience in teaching. So I cover the subjects illustration, history and mid-segment marketing.
Is it important for a student to know sketching?
So yes, you have to have interest, I can say. Rest all we cover it. We take your hand and we like get on practice with the first step of sketching to the end product until it's done.
So what is the role of illustrations in fashion designing?
So illustration, I would say it is the most important and crucial stage where you show your visual presentation of the final outfit that you are going to design. It's the first step that you will be designing a product and you will be showing the texture of the fabric, the fall of the garment, everything in it.
So we've heard Manish Malhotra has live classes and master classes. So is it like direct classes or you all have online classes or how is it?
So as we know, Manish Malhotra is a well-known designer. So we have his online classes, mentor classes going on in NIF Global Hubli. He'll be teaching all the design process, how to style, how to all about designing.
Do students get international exposure here?
Yes, they do. So we have New York Fashion Week where students can take part, and recently we have started with Dubai Fashion Week also.
Is fashion designing a good career in today's market?
Yeah, I would say it is the best to choose from because who doesn't like fashion? Who doesn't like to dress up? So here it is not only dressing up or it is not just about clothing, it is a lifestyle you're choosing.
What's your perspective on global fashion?
So yeah, global fashion is something that we get to know, like what are the trends going on, how people are dressing up. So because of the technology and advancements that we have today, we are able to know what all is going on globally and we are here to teach that all.
Lastly, what's your take on fashion designing? What's fashion designing for you?
For me, fashion designing is confidence. So what you're wearing, how you're styling a piece of garment becomes an art. Thank you.
From mannequins, sewing machines, fabric samples, mood boards, this space pushes students to think creatively every single day. It doesn't feel like a boring classroom, it feels like a place where ideas are allowed to breathe. Now, let's be honest, fashion is everywhere. If you learn it right, the opportunities don't end. So, if fashion is your passion, this is where your story begins at NIF Global Hubli.
We love NIF!
Campus Unlocked, the channel that loves exploring campuses like no other. So, like, share, and subscribe now.